This one is even nicer than the black one. Now I can't make up my mind. They're all so cute. I seriously feel like buying every bag in here.
Oh, it's Grandma.
Hello, Grandma. I'm good, Grandma. How are you and Grandpa?
Hello, Ellie dear. How are you? We are fine, but we miss you very much.
I miss you too.
Ellie, it has been almost 1 month since your last visit.
Really? 1 month already?
Yes, time goes very fast. Did you hear that?
Yes, I did.
Could you come this weekend? We would love to see you. Then come and spend the weekend with us.
Of course, Grandma. I miss both of you too.
We will cook your favorite food. So, will you come?
That sounds wonderful. Yes, Grandma, I will come this weekend.
Really? That's wonderful. We can't wait to see you.
Yes, I promise. I can't wait to see you too. Grandma? Is Grandpa nearby? Can you please give him the phone? I want to talk to him too.
Of course, sweetheart. He'll be so happy to hear your voice. Hold on for a second. I'll give him the phone. Here you go, dear. Ellie is on the line.
Ellie, my daughter, how are you doing? We both missing you a lot.
Grandpa, I'm doing great. How are you? I miss you too, Grandpa.
Now my day is complete. Hearing your voice always makes me smile.
I was just talking to Grandma and I wanted to talk to you too. I'm shopping in New York right now. What should I bring for you from New York?
My dear Ellie, I don't need anything from New York, sweetheart. The only thing I want is for you to visit us at least once a month. We can spend time together, eat our favorite meals, go for walks, and enjoy each other's company. That's all we really want.
Aw, Grandpa. You always know how to make me emotional.
Remember, Ellie, time with family is more valuable than any gift.
You're right. I've been so busy with work lately. I promise I'll visit more often, and when I come, we'll have a big family dinner together.
That's my girl. Your grandma will be so happy to hear that.
Thank you for always reminding me what's important. I love you both so much.
We love you too, sweetheart. Now enjoy your shopping and don't spend all your money on handbags.
No promises, Grandpa. I should buy something nice for Grandma and Grandpa. Grandma will love a beautiful scarf. And Grandpa will like this warm sweater. Perfect.
It was 6 a.m. Ellie was still sleeping in her bed. In her dream, she was surrounded by cosmetics. There were lipsticks, perfumes, skincare products, makeup palettes, and beauty boxes all around her bed. Ellie looked very happy. She smiled and excitedly picked up different products. Suddenly, her phone started ringing. Ellie slowly opened her eyes. The dream disappeared. She looked annoyed.
Wow, so many cosmetics. Oh no! Who woke me up from such a wonderful dream? Oh, I love cosmetics so much. I love this. This is the best dream ever.
Then she looked at the screen and laughed. Oh, it's you, Ben.
Good morning, Ben. You're calling pretty early today.
Good morning, Ellie. Come on, it's the weekend. I've got a great idea. Let's go out and have some fun today. We could go shopping, grab lunch, watch a movie, or try a new restaurant. It'll be fun.
That does sound nice. But I'm sorry, Ben. I already have plans for today. I'm going to the countryside today.
Really? Wow, that sounds amazing.
I'm going to visit my grandparents. They've really been missing me lately, and to be honest, I miss them too. It's been a whole month since my last visit. Whenever I go there, we spend a lot of time together. We have meals together, tell stories, and laugh about old memories. My grandma always makes my favorite food, and my grandpa loves sitting with me and talking for hours. Life feels slower there and warmer. It's peaceful, and it feels like home. I can't wait to see them again. I've missed their hugs, their smiles, and all the little moments we share. It's going to be a really special weekend.
You know, I've never spent much time in the countryside. I've always lived in the city. And honestly, I never really got to know my grandparents. I hear people talk about their grandparents all the time. They tell stories about family dinners, warm hugs, and spending weekends together. But I've never experienced any of that myself. I don't really know what grandparents' love feels like.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah, sure.
Would it be okay if I came with you? I'd love to see the countryside and maybe experience something different for once.
Ellie looked out the window. For a few moments, she didn't say anything. She thought about her grandparents. They were kind, loving people who always welcomed guests warmly. Still, bringing someone along was a big decision.
It's okay if the answer is no. Ellie, I've always wanted to visit the countryside. I want to breathe the fresh country air. I'd love to eat a homemade meal cooked by your grandma. I want to sit with your grandpa and listen to his stories. I've never really had grandparents in my life, so I've never experienced a grandparent's love. I want to know what that feels like. I want to spend time with a real family. I think this trip could be very special for me. It's okay, Ellie, if you're not comfortable taking me with you. I completely understand. I don't want to make things awkward, and I definitely don't want to cause any trouble for you or your grandparents.
Okay, Ben. You can come with me. I've thought about it, and I think it'll be nice. My grandparents love having guests. They'll be happy to meet you. So, welcome to the trip. But I think I should ask my grandma first. I want to make sure she's okay with it.
That's fair. You should ask her first. I completely understand. I'll wait for your call.
Hello, sweetheart.
Hi, Grandma. I wanted to ask you something. My friend Ben wants to come with me this weekend. He's never been to the countryside before, and he never really had grandparents growing up, so he doesn't know what grandparents' love feels like. He would really like to meet you and Grandpa. Would it be okay if I brought him with me?
Oh, Ellie! Of course you can bring him. We'd love to meet your friend. The more, the merrier. I'm sure your grandpa will be happy too. Tell Ben he's welcome in our home. We'll take good care of both of you.
Really? Thank you so much, Grandma. He's going to be so happy. We'll see you soon. Love you, Grandma. I'll tell him right away.
Drive safely, sweetheart. We can't wait to see you both. Love you too, dear. See you soon.
Hi, Ben. I have some good news. I just talked to my grandma. I told her all about you. I told her you've never been to the countryside and that you never really had grandparents. She said you'd be more than welcome. So, you can come with me this weekend. My grandparents are excited to meet you. They can't wait to see us.
Really? That's awesome. Thank you so much, Ellie. I can't believe it. I'm so excited. I've always wanted to visit the countryside. I can't wait to meet your grandparents. This is going to be an amazing weekend. I'll get ready right away.
We'll be there for 2 days, so pack accordingly.
By the way, how are we getting there? Are you driving your car, or should I bring mine?
Neither.
Neither? Wait, does that mean we're walking all the way there?
Relax. We're taking the bus.
The bus? Really?
Yep. I love traveling by bus. I enjoy looking out the window and watching the scenery. I love seeing small towns, green fields, rivers, and people along the way. It makes the trip more relaxing and more fun. But if you'd rather drive, we can take your car instead.
No, not at all. I like bus trips too. They're fun. Sounds like a plan. I'll see you there at 10. See you.
Great. Then let's meet at the bus stop at 10 a.m.